Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A07 and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find the option which is called device care. So as you can see, it is built in the settings. Here we've got the option app protection, so let's tap on it and tap on turn on first of all. Then let's tap on turn on, and even though we can see this information that no threats are found, then simply tap on scan phone, and now your device will scan the apps in order to check any kind of malware, any kind of viruses, any kind of problems basically, and simply be patient, wait until this process will be done, and after that you can check the results. If there's something's wrong, then your device will show you relevant information about that, and it will also help you to get rid of the risks. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.